So he wants to know if a Muslim has got some date trees or palm trees, is he allowed to sell them to a non-Muslim, and then afterwards that non-Muslim he can generate wine from them?
You see, Allah has created them and they generate wine from them. Is it the fault of Allah? You see, Sakaram
Yes. Sakaram wa rizqan hasana.
Rizqan hasana. Allah mentions Sakaran first and Rizqan hasana afterwards. Few people make rizqi hasan out of that, and most people rizqi haram, shurbe haram from that. So Allah is not responsible. So why should we be responsible for selling these things to anyone? Remember, if Muslims who own gardens start pursuing this matter, what will be made of that? Before they can sell it, the whole fruit will rot.